Women don't respond to logic, but to emotion. If you try to convince your girlfriend or wife to do something directly, she's probably going to resist you. But when you suggest the opposite, she suddenly wants to do the very thing she was resisting before. That's the dark power of reverse psychology. Done right, it's emotional jiu-jitsu. Done wrong, you look like a manipulative amateur and she'll resent you for it. What you're about to learn is how to use reverse psychology on your girlfriend or wife so it bypasses her defenses, flips her emotional polarity, and makes her feel it was her idea all along. And here's the added bonus of reverse psychology. You won't have to beg her to do anything, and she won't have any excuse to fight you. This is mind control, Shogun Method style. We're going to break it down in detail, so take lots of notes. First, here's what I call the dilemma of the female psyche. Women don't want to be told what to do, but they also don't want a man who just agrees with them. What they really want is a man who understands their psychology and can lead them emotionally without overt control. That's what reverse psychology does. Or, as we call in Shogun Method, emotional inversion. It plants a seed of rebellion inside her, and she follows that rebellion straight to where you want her to go. This is why reverse psychology works especially well on girlfriends and wives, because the emotional stakes are higher. The moment you stop pushing and start pulling with psychological misdirection, her emotional resistance is disarmed. And here's how to use reverse psychology on your woman, step by step. This isn't some bullshit listicle clickbait. What you're about to learn is pure psychological warfare, designed to create an emotional loop in her mind, where resistance turns into obsession. The emotional inversion strategy inside Shogun Method consists of 5 stages, and each stage installs a microdose of addiction in her psyche. Stage 1. The Disinterest Frame. This step is the foundation of the emotional inversion strategy. You must understand, to a woman, neediness is the ultimate repellent. When she feels you want something from her, she shuts off. So you flip the script. You become emotionally elusive, engaged, then aloof, present, then distant. This activates the pursuer reflex, and she starts doing the chasing for you. You'll learn this in Shogun Method at shogunmethod.net, but here's what you need to know. To capture a woman's attention, you must first create intrigue. Once she's intrigued, she'll be ready for step 2. Stage 2. The Oppositional Suggestion. Women love a challenge. They hate being told they can't, so you give her permission to rebel against your fake expectations. The Oppositional Suggestion is the heart of reverse psychology. Here are some lines you can use. You probably wouldn't enjoy that kind of thing. You don't strike me as the adventurous type. I didn't think you'd be into something that bold. She now feels the burning urge to prove she can do the things you tell her she can't do, even if it's something she was never considering before. Stage 3. The Insecurity Trigger. In response to the Oppositional Suggestion, she's likely to tell you she's going to do those things anyway. With the Insecurity Trigger, you further instigate her by planting a subtle doubt. It's soft enough not to offend, but just enough to agitate. Say, "There's a lot you still haven't figured out about this thing." Go ahead, you'll find out soon what I mean. I think you're smart enough to get it, probably. Then you pull away. Silence. No follow-up. Now, she stews in emotional dissonance. She'll obsess over what you meant and act just to reclaim your validation. If you're already a shogun, you'll recognize this as fractionation light, a micro-emotional roller coaster. You're spiking her emotions and then withdrawing from her. To learn more about this technique, go to fractionation.org. Stage 4. The Reversal Reward. Here's where 99% of men blow it. She complies, and they reward her like a puppy. Wrong move. Instead, you must reward the illusion of independence. When she does what you want, act as if she came up with it on her own. Say, "You're finally starting to trust your instincts. Told you you'd figure it out without me." Not bad, you're getting sharper. You reinforce her behavior while maintaining the illusion of autonomy. She thinks she's in charge, but you know she's not. Like the puppeteer, you're controlling the strings. This is similar to what I teach in Shogun Method as the false choice pattern. She chooses the path, but inside a maze, you design. Stage 5. Controlled chaos. Repeat, escalate, randomize. Never be predictable. Predictability is the death knell of reverse psychology. As a shogun, you must learn to be subtle and escalate slowly. Randomize your responses to keep her emotionally off balance. You must be patient, letting your words and actions stew and simmer inside her mind. Here's an example of how to treat her with controlled chaos over 5 days. Cold disinterest on Monday. A small compliment on Tuesday. A tease and withdrawal on Wednesday. No contact Thursday. Warm engagement on Friday. By Saturday, she's emotionally invested in you. Not because you told her to be, but because she can't predict you anymore. This is the Shogun Method emotional addiction loop. She now hungers for your approval and validation to stabilize her chaotic emotions. We're nearing the end of the video, so let's recap. Women don't like to be told what to do, but they want to be with a man who is in control. The solution to this is reverse psychology, the meta ability to dictate a woman's emotions and actions without overtly controlling her. In Shogun Method, reverse psychology takes the form of emotional inversion, and we execute it in 5 stages. The Disinterested Frame, the Oppositional Suggestion, the Insecurity Trigger, the Reversal Reward, and Controlled Chaos. Here's the thing. Plain vanilla reverse psychology may feel like manipulation to some people, but with emotional inversion, you're not manipulating her. You're letting her manipulate herself. That's why Shogun Method, when applied with emotional sharpness, can transform a cold, defiant, or indifferent girlfriend or wife into a woman who wants to please you without realizing why. But here's the kicker. The emotional inversion strategy is just the tip of the spear. If you want the full system that elite seducers and mind control practitioners use to dominate emotionally in relationships, and if you're ready to turn the tables on her psyche, to where she becomes addicted to your presence and fears losing your attention and love, then a YouTube video won't cut it. To get the entire deal, you must get inside the Shogun Method online masterclass at fractionation.org. But let's be brutally honest. Shogun Method is not for every man. If you're fragile, sensitive, or still clinging to blue pill fantasies about love and equality, it's probably a good idea to stay out. But if you're ready to weaponize psychology and take the reins of your relationship with the cutting-edge knowledge of mind control, here's your shot. Go to fractionation.org now and join the Shogun Method revolution. It'll be the best thing you've done for yourself, trust me. We Shoguns have got your back. Fractionation.org.